Our CANCOM Service Factory offers you an efficient lifecycle management that allows you to focus entirely on your business. Our lifecycle is a perfect match for your wishes and highest demands. Through our strategic partnerships with all the leading manufacturers, we can provide products according to your needs. Our refinement service ensures that your products are set up exactly to your specifications. If desired, your products can be made ready for immediate use, and you can pick up right where you left off. The logistics of your products are also tailored to your individual needs. Our experts take care of your product shipping, whether by air, sea, or land. Upon request, we deliver your product directly to your end user's desk. The delivery can be carried out without packaging, or we can take back the packaging and take care of its disposal. Upon delivery of your new device, we can simultaneously remove your old devices and set up your new devices directly at your end user's desk. In case of a faulty device, we will provide one of our pooled devices and send it directly to you. We will take back your faulty device upon delivery of your pooled device and assure you a smooth repair. The CANCOM Service Factory offers you an individual return scenario. After a complete deletion of the hard disk, we hand out a certified protocol. As a strategic partner in this field, we take care of remarketing or eco-friendly disposal, all according to your wishes. The CANCOM Service Factory. Purchase, logistics, rollout. Single-sourced.